Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Sharma, your maths teacher. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 1D. Now, look at here, first question. Find the approximate value of each of the following. As you know, that in my previous videos, I have explained how to write the number in rounded form. Okay, so in this video we will use that method. In the first part, 573 correct to the nearest 10. Now in this part we will do rounded of nearest 10 place. Now look at this example. Now in example 1, as you can see, question is saying round of the following as instructed. First part, 7,38,469 to the nearest 10,000. So for solving this, the digit to the right of the rounding place is 8. We want to round off nearest 10,000. At the place of 10,000, 3 is there, so we will see just next number to the right, which is 8, and we know that 8 is greater than 5. As per the rule, if number is 5 or more than 5, then we will add one digit in the rounding place. So after adding one digit, we will have the nearest 10,000 place is 7,40,000. We can solve these type of all the questions in same manner. Let us try exercise questions. As you can see, question number 1, first part. Find the approximate value of each of the following. The first part, 573 is given and we have to change to the nearest 10. So now here the digit to the right of the rounding place is 3, and we know that 3 is less than 5. So we will not add 1 to the rounding place. Hence 573 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 570. Let us see part number 3 of the same question. Here 24,576 is given and we have to correct this to the nearest 1000. So here the digit to the right of the rounding place is 5. So as per the rule, we know that if digit is 5 or more than 5, we add in the rounding place 1. So here we will add 1 in rounding place, which is 4. Hence the 24,576 number is rounded off to the nearest 1000 is 25,000. Now all the remaining parts you will try by your own. We are moving to the next question, that is question number 2. Now part 1, 31,68,303 to the nearest lakh. We have to round it off this. So before solving this, let us see the example. Let us solve example number 1, part 2. Here also given number we have to change to the nearest lakh. So the digit to the right of the rounding place is 5. As we know that according to the rule, if number is 5 or more than 5, then we have to add 1 to the rounding place. Hence 4 become 5. Now 14,57,723 rounded off to the nearest lakh is 15 lakh. Let us try one exercise question. Now, in question number 2, round off the following as instructed. First part, 31,68,303 to the nearest lakh. So we have to change this whole number to the nearest lakh. For changing, first we check the right digit, next right digit to the rounding place. So the digit to the right of the lakh place is 6, and we know that 6 is greater than 5. As per the rule, we will add 1 to the rounding place. Hence, 31,68,303 rounded off to the nearest lakh is 32 lakh. Let us see next part of this question. Now, question number 2, third part. 2,69,48,035 to the nearest crore. For solving this, we will see the digit to the right of the rounding place, and that is 6. And we know that 6 is greater than 5. So, 2,69,48,035 rounded off to the nearest crore is 3 crore. Now, we are moving to the next question. Question number 3. Approximate 6 crore 84 lakh 43,675 to the nearest 10. Second part, same number we will change to the nearest 100. In third part, to the nearest 1000. In fourth part, to the nearest 10,000. Like this, the same number we will change to the nearest lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So we are moving to solve first part. Look at here. For solving first part, we will see the digit to the right of the rounding place is 5, and if 5 or more than 5 digit we have, then we will add 1 to the rounding place. Hence, 6 crore 84 lakh 43,675 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 6 crore 44 lakh 43,680. Let us solve one more part of this question. Let us solve fourth part. Correct to the nearest 10,000 place. Now here, given number we will try to round off to the nearest 10,000 place. Look at here. For solving this, we will see the digit to the right of the rounding place is 3. Hence, the 3 is lesser than 5. We will not increase any number to the rounding place. Hence, 6 crore 84 lakh 43,675 rounded off to the nearest 10,000 is 6 crore 84 lakh 40,000 only. Now let us try one more part of this question, part number 7. Correct to the nearest 10 crore, and the number is 6 crore 84 lakh 43,675. Now look at here. For converting this number to the nearest crore, we will see the digit to the right of the rounding place is 8, and 8 is greater than 5. Hence, 6 crore 84 lakh 43,675 rounded off to the nearest crore is 7 crore. Now, remain parts we will try by your own. We are moving to the next question, question number 4. Estimate each sum to the nearest 10. Now in part 1 you can see two numbers are given and we have to add this and we have to change this into rounded off to the nearest 10. Now look at here. In this example number 2, estimate the sum 734 plus 575 to the nearest 100. For solving these type of questions, let us see what we will do. First, we will try to round off the first number which is given in the bracket, that is 734. Estimated to the nearest 100 is 700. Now 575 estimated to the nearest 100 is 600. This is the second number. Hence the estimated sum is, we will write both the numbers in rounded form and then we will find out the sum, which is equals to 1300. Same procedure in example number 3 is given, but here three numbers are given and their estimated sum we want to find out. So first we will find out the first number rounded off to the nearest 1000, then second number to the nearest 1000, then third number to the nearest 1000, and then we will add all these three numbers. In that manner we can solve these type of question. Now let us solve the exercise question. Question number 4. Estimate each sum to the nearest 10. Part 1. 43 plus 28. 43 estimated to the nearest 10, that is 40, because here in ones place 3 is given which is less than 5. So we will not add any number in the rounding place. Now the second number 28 estimated to the nearest 10. Here ones place 8 is there which is greater than 5. So we will add one number to the rounding place. Then the nearest 10 is 30. Hence the estimated sum is 40 plus 30 which is equals to 70. Now see the third part. 96 plus 47. Here 96 estimated to the nearest 10 is 100 and 47 estimated to the nearest 10 is 50. Here you can observe that 6 is greater than 5. We will add 1 to the 9. Hence answer will come 100. 47 ones place 7 is given. 7 is greater than 5. Hence again we will add 1 to the rounding place which is 4. It will become 5. So the answer will be 50. So now these two rounding of numbers we are having. The estimated sum will be 100 plus 50 and that is 150. Now let us see the next part. Part number 5. 634 plus 478. Here 634 estimated to the nearest 10 is 630 because here 4 is less than 5. Now 478 estimated to the nearest 10 is 480. As you can see, in ones place 8 is given and according to the rule 8 is greater than 5. We will add 1 to the rounding place, that is 7. It will become 8. So rounding of number will be 480. Hence the estimated sum is 630 plus 480 which is equals to 1110. Now we will solve question number 5. Estimate each sum to the nearest 100. Part 1. 437 plus 322. So how to solve this? Let us understand. Here you can see 437 estimated to the nearest 100 is 400 because 3 is less than 5, and 322 estimated to the nearest 100 is 300 because 2 is less than 5. Hence the estimated sum is 400 plus 300, which is equals to 700. Now see the next part. Part number 3. 789 plus 235. For solving this, we estimate to the 789 to the nearest 100, that is 800, because here 8 is greater than 5, so we add 1 to the rounding place, that is 7. Now the next number, 235 estimated to the nearest 100, that is 200, because near the rounding place 3 is there, which is less than 5, so we will not add any number to the rounding place. Hence the estimated sum is 800 plus 200, which is equals to 1000. Let us try one more part of this question. Part number 5. 3120 plus 6370. For solving this, 3120 estimated to the nearest 100 is 3100, and 6370 estimated to the nearest 100 is 6400. Here you can observe that in 3120 near the rounding place 2 is given. So 2 is less than 5, we will not add any number in the rounding place. And same in 6370, 7 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the rounding place and it will become 4. So the estimated sum is 3100 plus 6400, which is equals to 9500. Now we are moving to the next question, question number 6. Estimate each sum to the nearest 1000. Here we will try to round off the given number to the nearest 1000. Means 30 will come after every number. Now let us see how we will solve this. Question number 6, part 1. 17,478 estimated to the nearest 1000, that is 17,000, because 4 is less than 5. 31,845 estimated to the nearest 1000, that is 32,000, because 8 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the rounding place. Hence the estimated sum is 17,000 plus 32,000, which is equals to 49,000. Now the next part is part number 3. 23,659 plus 58,145. We want to find out estimated sum. So for this, first we round off the first number. So 23,659 estimated to the nearest 1000 is 24,000, and 58,145 estimated to the nearest 1000, that is 58,000. Hence the estimated value will be 24,000 plus 58,000, which is equals to 82,000. Now I hope you understood why here 24,000 will come, because 6 is given here which is right of the rounding place, and that is greater than 5. So we will add 1 in it, and here 58,000 will come same because 1 is less than 5. Now we are moving to the next question, question number 7. Estimate each difference to the nearest 10. Yeah, now here in this part we will find out the difference, 96 minus 27. Let us see how we will solve these type of question with the help of example. Example number 4. Estimate the difference 6725 minus 484 to the nearest 100. So 6725 estimated to the nearest 100 is 6700 because 2 is less than 5, and 484 estimated to the nearest 100 is 500 because 8 is more than 5. Hence the estimated difference will be 6700 minus 500, which is equals to 6200. Now with the same procedure we will try to solve the exercise question. Question number 7. Estimate each difference to the nearest 10. First part, 96 minus 27. So first we find out the rounding of 96, which is equals to 100, and 27 estimated to the nearest 10, that which is 30. Hence the estimated value of the sum will be 100 minus 30, which is equals to 70. Now let us see next part. Part number 3. 508 minus 237. 508 is estimated to the nearest 10 is 510 because 8 is greater than 5, and 237 estimated to the nearest 10 is 240. Here 7 is greater than 5, so we will increase one number to the rounding place, that is 3, and it will become 4, so the number will be 240. Hence the estimated value of the sum is 510 minus 240, which is equals to 270. Now try to solve remaining parts of your own. We are moving to the next question, question number 8. Question number 8. Question is saying estimate each difference to the nearest 100. Now here some numbers are given and we will find out the difference in the rounding off to the nearest 100. Let us see how we will solve these type of questions. 579 estimated to the nearest 100, that is 600. Here 7 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the rounding place. 214 estimated to the nearest 100 is 200 because here 1 is less than 5, we will not change any digit. Hence the estimated sum is 600 minus 200, which is equals to 400. Now we are moving to the next part. Part number 3. 4613 minus 2089. 4613 estimated to the nearest 100 is 4600, and 2089 estimated to the nearest 100 is 2100. Hence the estimated sum is 4600 minus 2100, which is equals to 2500. Now look at the next question, question number 9. Estimate each difference to the nearest 1000. Here first part is given. Let us see how we will solve this. Same as the previous part, in this question also we will do same. First part, 46,765 minus 18,785. 46,765 estimated to the nearest thousand is 47,000, because here 7 is greater than 5, hence we add 1 to the rounding place. Now the next number, 18,785 estimated to the nearest thousand is 19,000, because here 7 is greater than 5, so we add 1 to the rounding place, that is 8. Hence the estimated difference will be 47,000 minus 19,000, which is equals to 28,000. Look at the next part of the same question. Part number 3. 51,213 minus 34,370. Hence, 51,213 estimated to the nearest thousand is 51,000. 34,370 estimated to the nearest thousand is 34,000. Here 3 is less than 5, so we will not change any number. Hence the estimated difference is 51,000 minus 34,000, which is equals to 17,000. Let us see question number 10. Estimate each of the following product. Here many numbers are given. First part, 27 multiply 73. So before solving this, let us look at the example. Example 5. Estimate the product of 77 and 383. 77 rounded off to the greatest place, that is to the nearest tens, because it is 2-digit number only and we can round off maximum tens, and the nearest tens will be 80. Next number 383, which is a 3-digit number, so we can round off 383 to the nearest 100 place, and 383 rounded off to the nearest 100, that is 400, because here near the rounded place 8 is given, which is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the rounding place, which is 3. So the estimated product will be 80 multiply 400, which is equals to 32,000. With the same method, we will try to solve the question which is given in exercise. Question number 10, first part. 37 rounded off to the greatest place, that is to the nearest 10, is 30. 73 is also a 2-digit number, so the 73 rounded off to the greatest place, that is also a tens place. So the nearest tens will be 70. Hence we will multiply these two round off numbers. The estimated product will be 30 multiply 70, which is equals to 2100. Now look at the part 3. 68 multiply 471. 68 rounded off to the greatest place is 70. 471 is a 3-digit number, so 471 rounded off to the greatest place, that is 500. Here 7 is greater than 5, so we will add one number to the rounding place, that is 4. Hence the estimated product is 70 multiply 500, which is equals to 35,000. Now we are moving to the next part part number 5. Here in this part 594 multiply 248. 594 rounded off to the greatest place is 600. We can round off to the nearest 100 because it is a 3-digit number. And 248 is also a 3-digit number, so maximum round off number will be 100, nearest 100. So the rounded off number will be 200 here because 4 is less than 5. Hence the estimated product is 600 multiply 200, which is equals to 1,20,000. Let us look question number 11. Find the estimated quotient for each of the following. First part, 87 divided by 27. So before solving this question, let us look at the example. Example number 6. Find the estimated quotient for 58 divided by 34. For solving this, first we find the rounded off 58 to the nearest tens because it is a 2-digit number. So maximum tens place we can round off, which is equals to 60. And 34 rounded off to the nearest 10, which is equals to 30. Therefore, 58 divided by 34 approximately equals to 60 divided by 30, which is equals to 2. So the estimated quotient is 2. Here you can observe one different type of symbol is given. This is the symbol of approximation. Okay, so here 58 rounded off is to the nearest 10 is 60. Let us solve exercise question. Question number 11. Find the estimated quotient for each of the following. First part, 87 divided by 27. 87 estimated to the greatest place is 90 because it is a 2-digit number, so we can round off till nearest 10. 27 is also a 2-digit number, so the greatest place for the estimation will be tens, nearest tens. So the estimated to greatest place is 30. Therefore 90 divided by 30 equals to 3. Here the estimated quotient is 3. Let us see the next part. Part number 3. 74 divided by 34. For solving this, 74 estimated to its greatest place is 70 and 34 estimated to its greatest place is 30. Therefore, 70 divided by 30, that is approximately equals to 7 divided by 3. That is approximately equals to 2. So the estimated quotient is 2. Let us see fifth part of the same question. Fifth part is 731 divided by 22. For solving this, 731 estimated to its greatest place is 700. 22 estimated to its greatest place is 20. Therefore, 700 divided by 20, that is approximately equals to 70 divided by 2, which is equals to 35. So the estimated quotient is 35. Now question 11 is the last question of the exercise. Here the exercise is finished. Remain all the parts you will try yourself. I hope you have understood well how to solve these type of questions. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. See you in the next video with the new things to learn. Till then, keep learning, stay safe, bye bye.